Hello, today I present to you the 8 new Canva updates. Start your stickers with a single click. Let's come back to Canva homepage, and now we can choose whiteboard, click whiteboard, and click create blank. We know that we can find stickers in the left side menu and elements. Here we see a lot of stickers. And now we can select all and we can click sort. And here we'll see that we can sort by topic, by color, and by name. Let's click by color. And here you go. Great, right? Now let's see how we can expand our social media designs to whiteboards. On the Canva homepage, we can click social media, and now we can go and click browse templates. And now we can choose the template, click on it, click customize this template, and now click on the template right button, and we will find expand to whiteboard. And here you go. We have whiteboard from the template. Next, let's see how we can translate templates. Let's come back to our Canva. Now we can click social media on the Canva homepage, and we can click browse template. We can choose any template, click 3 dots, and now we can click translate this template. And we see that we can select language. For example, let it be Lithuanian. We can translate all page, or we can select text from current page, and we can click translate. On the bottom, we see that we have 500 users left and data when the refreshes will change. Let's see what the limits are if you use free Canva. I am on the free Canva. Let's go to social media and click browse template. Now 3 dots and translate this template. And we see that we have 49 free users left lifetime. Another great Canva new is animated bar chart race. Tell a captivating data story with the newest animated bar chart race. On the Canva homepage, we can click create a design, and now we can select any design. For example, I am choosing presentation. Now let's go to the left side menu and click elements. Now let's go down, and here we will find charts. Click see all. And here we will find new Canva update bar race chart. We can click on it. Now we can adjust the data. We can adjust the color. We can go to settings, and here we can adjust data selection. And when we go to present, and we can click present, we can click play button, and here you go. Great, yes? Now let's see how we can add bubble plots into our graphics. Let's come back, and now we can add a page, and we can choose scatter and dot chart. When the chart is selected, we can click on it, and we can adjust the data. And now we can click here on the top. We see marker, and we can adjust the size and the bubble plots. Great, yes? Another new update, pattern maker. Let's come back to Canva, and now we can select any size. For example, I'm choosing social media and create blank. Now let's go to the left side menu and click apps. We can enter pattern maker into the search field, and we will choose this one. pattern maker. Click on it and click open. Now we need to choose file. Let's go to png.aaa.com and let's search for flower picture. Now I'm choosing this one picture and I'm clicking free downloads. We will see that we need to wait 10 seconds. And now let's come back to our Canva. Click choose file. We see that maximum file size is 3 megabytes. Click choose file. And now we can select our picture and click open. And here you go. It's great, yes? We can adjust rows. We can adjust columns. And when it suits us, we can click add to design. It's great. Next, let's see how we can animate our image. Here we see image, and here it is animated. Let's come back to our Canva page. We can click on social media and create blank Facebook post. Now we can go to the left side menu, click apps, and here we can click photos. Now we see a lot of photos. You can select any photo. For example, I'm choosing this one. Now we can go to apps and let's search image animate. Image animate. Here we see this app, click on it. And now we can adjust motion range, motion length, seconds, number of loops. We see our duration. We can choose AI motion or parallax motion. We see that we can adjust camera path. For example, I'm choosing step right, and we can click generate. We see that this option is free and available to all users. And here you go, we have our video. All videos you can find on upload section. Go to the left side menu, uploads and videos. And here you will find your video. Now you can see some examples which was created with this app. Here you see the photo and there is video. And there is the photo. And here you see video. Great. If you want to download your video, you can resize it, or you can click right button and set video as a background. Now you can double click and adjust position and click done. Next, you can go to share button, click share, download, choose file type MP4 or GIF, select page, click done and download. And this video you will find in your downloads folder. And the last news that I wanted to present to you now is QR code as a design. Yes, here you see the QR code. You can scan it. It will take you to the page where you will find my latest course with lots of tips, tricks, and practical exercises about the most popular Canva AI features. And now let's go back to the Canva page. You can choose any design from Canva homepage. For example, you can click social media and you can choose any template. You can click on the template you like and click customize this template. I will choose my template. Now We can go to the share button on the right side, click share, and now go and click 3 dots more. Now we can enter QR code into the search field and we will find here QR code. Click on it, and now we need to paste our URL. I am coming back to my page. I'm copying my link, and now let's come back, and here I am pasting it. Now we can select the page. I'm choosing only first page, and we can click generate QR code. We will find our QR code in our downloads folder. We can add a new page, and we can go to our downloads folder. We can choose our QR code, and we can drag it to our design. And here you go. Great, yes? I hope you liked these updates. Don't forget to comment and click like. And if you want to learn more about CanvaMagic possibilities, I prepare a very interesting course, Canva AI CanvaMagic Tools. This course is prepared for both Pro Canva users and free Canva users, as we will learn how to achieve every pro magical capability with the free version of Canva and how we can use this in practice. Now, price is only 11 euros. So you can enroll today and you will learn many tips and tricks. And I hope these tutorials will inspire you. So I invite you to this course and hope to see you soon.